trying Mexican things. So these are the first ones we have. They are called, these are chicharrones, and it's chili limon, right?
I got talk.
And it's by the brand
Hey.
Totis? I don't really know, but yeah, so we're gonna try the chicharrones first. Everybody grab one.
Yeah.
Yes.
What the? What does look like a turtle?
Oh. Alright.
Ooh, yummy.
Mmm. A little ASMR for y'all.
Oh, my canker force.
Alright.
These are good. I like these.
It tastes like the Mexican lollipop.
Yeah.
They're really crispy too. I think I like these better than the other ones.
Yeah.
The
Next one.
It starts with the S. Sabones? Something like that. Sorry, I don't know like Spanish like that, so please don't get offended. Or offended, I mean. Okay, anyways, on to the next. Ooh. These, I love these. I've actually tried these.
I had those.
We got everything we've seen at Walmart. We did get this stuff at Walmart, so you guys can find this at your local Walmart if you guys do have one. Or your like Mexican stores, of course, but this one is really good. It's from the same brand that we just got to. But these are more, they're the same flavor, the chili and lime. They're just circled.
Give me one first.
They're really light too. Like that's what they
It looks like a Cheerio.
Yeah, a Cheerio. Cheerio.
Kind of
Welcome
tastes like
to
those.
Popeye.
Put them with milk.
Kind of tastes like those.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
my canker
but
sore.
better. What?
These look like Sonic rings.
Those are better than the other ones. They're weird.
Yeah, you could tell me like these are good.
They're gone already.
Oh, gone?
Yeah, but I did the video.
That's the end of the video. Sorry, bye.
They're good, but it hurts my canker sore.
That's
All right.
it of the video.
Now we are on to the drinks. Before we drink these, we have to open them. So we'll be
I should
back.
spill myself.
Hey, Tiana.
Mexican God, come down.
Sorry, that's in the way. All right, ready? Oh, this is the pineapple, by the way. The pina. Mmm.
That was good.
Yeah. Had a big. Now, let's try this orange one. Mandarin.
Excuse-
A little mandarin.
That tastes like,
Mandarin.
it tastes like real pineapples. Yeah, my cup.
I know, hold on. Don't worry. He's like, give me it now.
Oh my gosh, sauna.
It
So
comes out
uneven.
fast. Everybody's still getting some. It's okay.
You
It's
have
okay.
so much.
So
Thank
uneven. She's like, oh!
Sorry. Right, ready?
Look at me.
No, because it came out like by itself. It's like, oh crap. Alright. Look, it's even. It's still even. Look at those. Alright.
No, that one's. Wait, what?
No, it tastes good.
Kind of tastes like, you know,
It
those
kinda-
Mexican fruit candies?
I know.
But
No, it kind of tastes like the
Or
pop-
those Mexican jellos?
You don't like it?
no.
He said, no. Go ahead, Monty. Take that shot.
Do
We're
it.
from Mexico. Viva Mexico! Woo!
She's like,
Donald Trump.
Ouch.
She's gonna choke, bro.
You just hear him
Like
on
in
the...
that other video when she choked in the back.
No, mommy.
You just
Mommy.
hear you just hear Dad in the back.
Hey, mommy.
Donald Trump.
Hey, mom. Mommy.
Okay, on to the next.
Mommy,
That part
do you
getting cut out.
remember that
Alright.
video where the tricks fizz donkey?
He's talking about that Asian video.
I was about to explode on you.
She got scared. She was like,
Is
Cool.
this
So
my
basically,
cup,
this
baby?
is like a apple juice
My butt hurts.
sparkle apple juice. There we go.
Uh.
Excuse me.
My butt hurts.
What?
The carbonation. Okay.
Smells like
Get
apple
off
cider.
these
That's to be a
bees.
compilation too.
Tastes like apple cider.
You couldn't hear
It does.
Sparkling cider.
It's good. That wasn't me.
That was me.
That was me. That was me and him.
Like mother, like
That was Matthew.
Okay.
What?
No more shots. Now we are trying these. I think they're like chile peanuts. Oh no, tamarind. Hard candy. That's what's called.
I don't
Okay.
eat no hard candy.
With chili pepper filling.
Ugh.
I'm not eating it. It's gonna burn my tongue off.
Ooh, that's how you do it.
Okay, you just rip a bag in half.
Mine.
It's like a high cheese.
Hi chew.
Like a high cheese
style.
after, yeah.
I opened it already. I hope these open it when people.
This scares me.
It looks like a
What
piece
the
of,
heck?
It's like a turd.
it looks like a
Mom,
dog
it's
treat.
like
Alright?
It's the tamarind.
Look it.
That's what it looks like.
I'm
Oh, it's
scared.
hard, I forgot. Don't bite.
Excuse me.
Oh,
Mm.
This looks like a bobo.
Mm.
Ah. Oh. I like it.
these are one of those candies.
Mommy, I don't want it no
These
more.
are one of those candies that you can't keep in your mouth for a long time.
No, that's the chili in the middle. Sauce.
Mommy, I don't want it no more. It's done.
Okay. He don't like you. All right, on to the next. Put your candy to the side, guys.
Yup.
I'll eat that later.
I eat that.
By the way,
today.
guys, at any point of the video, if you guys do like it, don't forget to thumbs it up, subscribe, hit that bell button so you guys know when we do a new video.
Subscribe.
And also share it on Facebook or Instagram, wherever you guys share your videos. And,
even
yeah,
play Pac-Man.
on to the next candy.
Play
so-
Pac-Man.
Hmm? This is almost like the one we ate, but this is more soft. And thank you, because this packaging is easy to open.
I
Because I think
know.
someone was trying to sneak this candy. That's what I feel. Because their packaging is like never that easy.
Why?
Why can't every packaging be like this?
Eat that.
But yeah,
Daddy
so
food.
these are.
Chilates.
What?
Oh, sorry, I almost had to burp, but it wouldn't come out. That's soda. What?
Oh, so something in Mexican. Starts with a
Anyways,
P.
so the packaging
You
looks
go
like
first.
this.
I've had these before.
Here you go. That's it. That's it. That's it.
But you're about to forget about me. I actually had these.
I also like this packaging because it comes with 20 pieces. It comes with
Oh,
20
yeah.
pieces, so definitely worth it.
What
so
is
good.
that?
I love these.
Isn't this
things,
like
so it don't stick
the
to them.
that? Isn't
Oh, I
this
was like, rub in.
I bought it.
This is what it
Flour.
looks like when you open it.
Looks like beef jerky.
It kind of does.
I'm
Mm-hmm.
not even smashed.
I'm thirsty.
De La Rosa.
That's Mexican.
Mom, don't matter.
De La Rosa.
And Rory.
That's yours.
Yeah, but I still
Guys,
say
the only thing that sucks with these is be careful when you open them because they break easily. They're peanut butter, peanut candy, but they're so good. Oh my god, they're so
The struggle is real for me.
Cause I was talking. I like the box. Look, it's so pretty.
Cut the video.
Oh, you can smell it too. It smells good. And it comes with how many pieces in this one?
Cut the video.
It doesn't say.
Count them.
I'm not counting them.
1, 2.
12. Thank you, Mari.
Thank you.
Hold on.
They break easy, bro.
Okay, whoever doesn't break it
I broke it.
gets $1.
I broke it. It's okay.
Just kidding. I don't even got money. I'm broke.
all of us are trying not to break it.
Guys,
Literally.
these are so good.
Can't even open it.
Yuck. Wait, I have to get my drink. Ah, my leg's up.
I know.
Oh, that.
Oh yeah, sorry. By the way, guys, before
Hey.
I try not to break
Where's
this.
my dollar?
She said she was just kidding.
Oh. I actually put
This
effort
right
in that.
here is Haley. This is Tiana's
Hey.
friend.
Hey, Mommy.
This right here, you guys know, is Matthew. This is her boyfriend. So I forgot to introduce them. Sorry. I mean, you've seen them in a couple
My
videos.
butt hurts. The teach.
What?
Huh?
I can't even. It tastes just like peanut butter when it goes into your mouth because it like melts. It's good. But make sure you got.
What?
Make sure you got water because these will dry your mouth out and kind of like, you know, you have to do that so it kind of hurts like your jaw after a while. But these are good. Everybody in the shot, right? Okay.
Okay, we're getting
Welcome back, y'all.
Drink
I'm
that.
just kidding. So we have the Pelon Rico mini, and they're really cute. And this is what I was comparing. Have you that one right there? Good. Yeah. This too. It's almost like this, but in a stringy form. It tastes like that to me. But here we go, because these are
Thank
really
you.
cute. I love anything mini. Oh my god.
I don't like nothing
You
mini.
like
I like it big.
No, not like that.
Mine.
Matthew.
Literally.
Me and Tia are gonna.
Eat him in a second.
Look how cute. Yeah, they're probably gonna eat it in like nothing.
She brought a whole one of these to Casey and just ate it in like a millisecond. And I was like, I threw it out the back door.
It's easy to take it off and you can
Push it.
How come we didn't have these in the piñata?
You already took it apart.
Wait.
Yeah, you can take it apart if you want.
You can't do that with one hand.
And then hair comes out fast, so it's not bald.
Mmm.
Whoa.
I haven't had this in forever.
Yeah, show them how you push it up, Mom.
No, look like that.
Yeah, mine would, but mine's gone. Mine's gone already.
It's a race.
Tasty.
It ain't no race, but I still take first place.
Take your man just to shove it in your face.
Guys, you guys do not know the struggle of having 1, 2, 3,
Six.
Oh,
4,
count.
6 people.
Just redo it again.
6 people in one frame.
Ooh.
And we don't have like
Wide lens.
a wide lens thing. We don't have one of those. So we're trying our best to keep everyone in frame. That's why I'm like, come on guys. It's okay if we're squished. We're almost done. We have one more candy after this one. Anyways, guys, we are trying hot cherry locas. Ooh. These are good, actually.
Papa.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
What? Stop. Where's mine?
We're like parrots. What are
Mine.
we doing?
Hey, where's mine?
I thought you got.
You only handed out 3.
No, because I handed one over there.
They fell.
That's why. See, it fell.
Stop trying to bite it.
It's soft.
squishy.
Yeah.
No, she's like biting with her only one tooth. She's like,
Those are good. Mm-hmm.
The cherry.
Hold it.
I guess.
That's
the best
the
one.
bomb.
Okay, those are good.
Oh my
These are about
gosh.
to be good. These are fire. If you guys haven't tried these, go try these or make them yourself. Cause these things are good.
She already
It's
knows how to open
chile,
it.
mango, limon.
Trying to make a robot arm.
Robot. Yes. Okay, let me make
Does
sure.
look like the
One
chips.
for you.
Is these bunny ears? No.
There's yours.
Bro! Sorry. There you go,
He's
Maddie.
gonna eat the
No. Hey,
and die.
I'm not tasting this.
You can smell it too.
Mom, can we go to the Asian market?
If you
again?
notice, Mexican candy has a lot of chile in it. And lime mixed together. Or chamoy. We should make those on camera. The mango with the chamoy and oh yep, we're gonna do that next
Yep.
video. And we're gonna do the
Or
hot
Takis
Cheeto.
with chamoy.
Oh, we're doing the hot Cheeto elote. Gotta show you that. That would be good.
No,
Another part 2, you know, Mexican style.
This burns my lips because I have chapped lips.
there's a video. Mom, let's do a video where I eat hot peppers.
Yeah.
Really good though.
But I put them in my eyes.
No, you don't. This is the best. This is, I'm pretty sure, yep, mango flavor.
Hate mango.
Thank
you.
Savages.
Yeah.
They're like, oh, Mexican candy. Freaking like freaking addict. Oh, Mexican candy.
The way you said that. Why'd you say it like that?
It's like my cousin.
Okay, Mom, can you open this? Here, can't open it.
But with these, you can't eat them in one whole thing or else you're gonna choke and die.
Like they're like, ay mami, Mexican candy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I swear they put this in like their freaking milk or something. Freaking.
Can I pour this on my head?
What?
It goes in your nose.
Yeah, go tell him that he'll do it.
Tiana in 5th grade, they snorted it.
Yeah, in 5th grade.
You're just gonna eat the whole thing. You always do. She's
In
like,
5th
oh,
grade,
ah.
when me and Haley
This
were
is
in
the
5th
best
grade,
thing ever.
people would snort this in class and we would laugh because they would die because of the
They had another one by this
sour
brand,
thing.
but they took it off the shelves because it had lead in it or something. And kids are like dying, I guess. I don't know if that's true.
Yeah,
But it had like some type of chemicals, and it was good like this.
Strawberry.
And yeah, people
Oh.
were dying.
I took that whole entire strawberry thing.
She took the freaking lid off. Look, see? She's like, give me more. It's not enough. She's like,
Hey, Mommy!
no, that's a Tiana move on.
What?
Snorting this.
No, I'm good. That burns.
So you've done.
Yeah.
kids, do not do that, okay?
I
Do not
want
do
to.
that.
Every-
Say no to drugs. Seriously, say no to drugs.
They're good to drugs.
You don't even know what that is.
Yeah, I do.
But anyways, guys, that is all the candy for part 1 of trying Mexican stuff. And yeah, I think obviously this is always gonna be the best one. Because as you can see, Jasmine has to put that in slow motion when they went and like grabbed the candy. She was like super quick. She like dropped it, kind of the whole thing dropped. So yeah, that's about it, guys. Did you guys
Hers
like
is already
it?
gone.
Naughty Sella.
Yo, she's like,
You freaking
ah.
Mexican.
He's the whole thing going back.
Told you it's her drug.
Yeah, for real.
Subscribe to my dad's video.
She's like, Mexican candy is my drug.
She already ate it all.
Please only no morning. They're good for me.
What do you?
It's
She
good
eats
on, it's
She
good
eats
on the
Marty eats Mexican
palete.
candy morning, lunch,
Don't-
and
don't
dinner.
do
Still
that.
want one? No, I'm just
Don't
kidding.
do that.
She's like, yes. She.
But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and comment down below what's your favorite candy, Mexican candy at that, or any candy is, and maybe we'll try it in our next video. Thank you guys so much for watching,
Hey, Mommy.
and as always, don't forget to like it up, subscribe, and we are out to your next one. Oh, guys. This is what happens in a real YouTube video. Don't act like they don't clean it up. We have to clean all this up, okay? Look at this freaking candy just everywhere. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.